It's a unique concept that I haven't seen in other countries, especially coming from Canada, where we talk of democracy and so on. So for me, this is a true statement of democracy coming from the grassroots and having an opportunity actually to participate in the say of the development program. Dialogue, construction, and being Rwandan. It does speak to me, to someone Rwandan who lives abroad. So at least Rwandan in terms of our heritage. This gives us the opportunity to redefine ourselves, and as Rwandan being part of the future, not only as a people, but also as a state today, the state of Rwanda, wherever you are, to feel that you are connected to your heritage. I only find the right word in French in this case. Ça nous interpelle en tant que Rwandais, de faire partie de ce Rwanda, de ce futur, un Rwanda comme nation, pas un Rwanda seulement comme pays, mais un Rwanda comme nation. Alors notre part en tant que Rwandais dans le monde, dans le pays, mais aussi en tant que citoyen du monde.